And one thing is very all effort-based path, they start from Aparavidya, and this is effortless system. Don't need to understand many things. Direct when Shakti wake up, and then you can automatically you start to see your inner world. So immediately when Shakti is, wake up and immediately start to give you. That is the reason many people are telling, "Oh, I was very happy and lot of joy, lot of bliss," and many people they share their experience. Like if fear becoming less, fear is becoming less, jealousy is becoming less, ego is becoming less. So it's practical automatically happening. That's why this Siddha Mahayoga is a very highest, sadhana. No any effort based sadhana can reach on this level. So all effort based system, first you have to read, and then you have to practice, and then a lot of practice, only then you can. So in the Shaktipat system, like since first day, when this bless, when mind is become introvert, and then Shakti is wake up, and immediately Shakti become active. So that's why this is very very practical process. You have to understand, like give many, like Sangha philosophy, they mention about what is the world. Translate, just what is the world. So this knowledge only, you know you can collect in your memory, and this memorial knowledge cannot give you, like, or you have to do lot of practice, lot of, you know then you can feel little bit like, also yoga is the path to get enlightenment. But you have to do first, you have to practice. This is Ashtanga yoga, like eight step you have to cross. Eight can reach in samadhi. 7 steps you have to, and then you can reach on samadhi. You have to follow these 7 steps. It's not easy. Maybe it take all your life. Even then you cannot receive experience of samadhi. And also one thing is very important to understand. Ultimately, any effort-based path, ultimately through effort-based path, Shakti needed to wake up, because the Shakti is the base of all path. It is the base. You have to cross the base. You have to go. In scripture they written, Sarvesham Yoga Tantranam Sada Dharui Kundli. Kundlini Shakti is the base of. So without this base, you cannot enter in spiritual world. So this base they have in different religion, in different path. They have different name for this base.